Hiya, Céad mille fáilte is Mrs. Saoirse, and Céad mille fáilte to my Buy Me a Coffee channel, and you're very welcome. And so I have here in the background the brown coffee dome. So let me share that with you. There you go. So brown coffee dome, and that means, of course, buy me a coffee, but actually, as Gaelic, it means gift me a coffee. So it's more of a like, hey, I really like your videos and let's get together and share a cup of coffee together. So that's more like what it's like. So that's the idea of it there. So which I like that attitude more better. It's not like it's a command in English, a sperla or something. It's like, hey, let's get together and share a cup of coffee and tell some stories. Let me tell you about Tírconnell and the Gaeltacht here in County Donegal and Ireland and the seven Celtic nations on the different places that are off the beaten path from where the tourists would normally go, and the secret stories and the hidden behind the scenes kind of things, and like the secret waterfall and near Kellybegs, and things like that. There's just so much that I want to share with you that I can't really open my heart and share in public, like on the videos, like I can in a group like this. So if you want to be part of the Energia or the Muncher or it's the Taylor of Travels with Saoirse, where I can open my heart and share with you one on one, face to face, then this is the place. And so, if you like the videos and you like to get the behind the scenes kind of stuff and discounts on the products and things, then Buy Me a Coffee is the place to be. So, buy me a coffee / Travels with Saoirse. And here you are. So, Céad mille fáilte is Chuck, Tars Chuck sin. So, welcome inside, and you're very welcome here. Go to Mila Maiget.